to, you know, explore. Oh, this is amazing. Look at this. Well, welcome to another video of me walking. We are going to explore Swartbroek. I will show it on the map. It's quite lovely here, and this route is about 4 hours, give or take. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Patrick. I also go by the name of Rawolf or Wolfie or Ra on my gaming channel of twitch.tv/Rawolf88. So I stream also. But the goals of these videos are to explore the lands, you know, to explore the unknown. That is not the hidden gems of the Netherlands. This series is about the Netherlands. So the first one is Swartbroek. We're going to follow the green arrow. This is called the, I have to check it up for a second. This is the route called the Krang in Swartbroek. Okay. I'm using the Natuurmonumenten app. I'm a subscriber for them. This is not sponsored by them, but I do find it handy. And we are right here, so we need to go that way. I do not talk a lot on my streams. Or well, on my streams I do, but not in the videos so much. The goal is to let you enjoy these hidden gems, basically. I need to keep the track on where I'm going. So we seem to go straight ahead. Okay, it's just straight ahead, yeah. Hello. Doggy wanted to go with me, but I don't think my own dog will be happy about that if I do that. So the Swartbroek route, the Krang, is about 4 hours. So I think if it's gonna take 4 hours, because I do quite have a pace in my stepping, then it will be 4 videos of an hour. Just ahead of you guys so that you know. I need to go left, but the question is, okay, there's that left. So the angle of the video is not that great, I know. I'm trying to keep it in check, but yeah, it's 4 hours, so 4 videos of an hour, and that's pretty much the route of Swartbroek. It's pretty weather here at the moment. I'm gonna walk on this side, because then I will see what is coming to me, and if it's behind me, it can pass by on the right side. some countries do have like England and Indonesia, that they ride on the other side, but here it is on the right side, so it's more safer to walk on the left side. If you hear wind, I cannot help it. That's just a feature, so just so you know. I do want to check. Let's see. So, okay, it's not that great, but I can fix that later. Let's see. Okay, I need to go right and then left, past that house there. Okay. You need to check the hour. It's now 6:04. Leprechaun. Video control. Anyway, let's see. 16:45. Alright. We need to go left. I'm trying to not look so much on my phone, but more look on where I'm going with the boards, because it's a little bit handier. See? Got markers you can use. I have actually no idea what these plants are, if anyone wonders. That way. I think I need to go straight. Just in advance, it is also a very good idea to have solid good shoes, so that you know you can walk the distance. It is quite warm. We are leaving Swartbroek now and enter the Krang. As you can see, Swartbroek is close to the main city of Weert. I don't know how it is in different countries, but in other countries, but how it is here is that smaller villages, cities are part of a bigger city. That is easier to governate. So yeah, that's always good. Oh, there are sheep right there. Like, you can see them at that side. I will turn. Like, you can see them right there. The horse in there. Nice. Alright. Enjoy the view. And I've reached my 5,000 footsteps. I will say that a lot in many videos I did, I think. It is healthy, I guess, to walk about 10,000 steps a day. So about 105 steps per hour, if I'm right. And that would contribute towards a better... Oh, that was almost. Need to watch out. But yeah, that contributes towards a healthy heart, basically. That's what they say. I don't know if it's true, but I think it's good for your health, and I will do it. I'm gonna try fix that problem. And just, can I? Look, that's better. Now you can see what I see in front of me. Okay, this doesn't help much. I was trying to do a knot of my backpack. Oh, and my cable. Okay. Alright, this is better. In my daily life as a side job, I'm a mailman, so walking distances is not that bad for me. I'm used to, this route is about 11 kilometers in general. So if you look for a challenge and you're not that much of a walker, then maybe this one would be a good average one. In my terms, this is an average one. We're still good on track because the marker is giving the right direction. It states that we have to go right. Don't know if that's true. Oh, it is. How about that? Let's see, we are now, yeah, we have to go in there, the Krang. Huh. Okay, so follow the, so we have axis. Yeah, this is Route 75. If you look, if you go to natuurmonumenten.nl, you can find routes right there. You can also download the app. Keep in mind that you need to be a member of Natuurmonumenten to see all 300 routes that we are going to explore here. Not all, but most of them. Already doing that actually. But you can use up to 3 routes for free. So you can basically use 3 routes, download them for free, walk them, and yeah, if you are a short holiday here, I think 3 routes is pretty significant enough to, you know, explore. Oh, this is amazing. Look at this. I didn't know this was here actually. So I'm quite surprised. This is a pleasant surprise for me. This is also the first time I'm walking this. Most of the time I'm doing photo shoots or just walking with my dog. If you're wondering why I don't have my dog with me, is because I'm trying to control the flow of the camera at the same time that I'm trying to walk as stable as possible, and with my dog next to me, it's not going that well. Plus, he's not used to walking 4 hours. Holy shit, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my. Okay. This is really amazing. Alright, so going down. Up. Alright, we are going over this one. So the news recently told me about certain plants that are growing very rapidly because of climate change, and I don't see them here, but they grow near the waters. Near the roads. Oh man, it looks beautiful. They did some maintenance job here. You can see that. So it's good to follow. It's good to see that the government here and the local government here looks upkeep here. But anyway, But there's a plant growing next to the highways and main roads that is toxic. If you touch it, you will get itchy. No. If you touch it, it's okay, but you have to wash your hands and everything, because if you get it into your body, you're in trouble, basically. Oh, you can hear the birds. Love it. Just love it. Okay, now I'm looking. I need to go. That's some different route. Let me check. We went here. Oh, actually, we had to cross. Yeah, we had to cross somewhere very close. No, wait. No. Actually, we have to go straight. And then I'm also struggling here. Yeah, it's saying that we have to go that way. Yeah, we do have to go that way, but the question is, it's saying that there's a different route here that we can take. I think it's right there. Or is it maybe the same one? I think it's the same one. So, see me struggle. So, there's like an area there. It's called the Vogelscherm. It's bird something. Bird wall, I guess. I don't know what the translation is for that. Let's see. But it's saying that we can watch it. It's like a big river? Yeah, pond? Pond, that's the word. Pond. It's a big pond. Oh, mosquitoes are present, that's for sure. Already seeing that we are arriving in a pond. So you can sit here, just look. But you cannot really, like there, you can see these birds. Cakes. Oh, you can watch through the wood, but you don't need to interrupt the birds. You got these birds. What? This is not really meant. I do this, but okay. Look at this. It's amazing. Wow. It's a good resting place, and it's also good to see the birds. Like every kind of bird here. Nice. Let's continue. Alright. If you wanted to see more, just rewind and just stop the video and just watch. You know. We're going back. Sometimes it's very confusing, the routes, but yeah. Alright. I might be looking into a different bag that makes it more stable for you guys to see everything without going zigzag. But if you don't mind, then it's okay. Give me feedback on the video itself. All comments are welcome, because I'm trying to improve myself with these kind of videos. Hey, butterfly, nice. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. This path is amazing. It does not affect the ecological system. Like, you're above the ecological system, so any animal on the ground level can still go under it. That's amazing. It's really something very small, but it's so well thought out. And it got like roasters. I don't know what the English word is for it. So you cannot slip. So in the winter time you can also walk here. It's also very good. because you cannot slip, you know. Actually, don't know how they are, you know. I think it's nails. Oh well. Oh, nice. Like reflectors as well. Mosquito is trying to take a bite on me. Jeez. Right. For the record, I'm also an ambassador for Make-A-Wish, so I will keep a link in the description. That is a yearly campaign that I'm doing. I don't know if it's going to have a lot of attention, but every contribution is welcome. Make-A-Wish is an organization that I'm not part of the Netherlands Make-A-Wish Foundation, but on the international level, and I do streams for them, but I'm also trying to find new ways, you know, to help them in their campaign. So I am going to go left. We are leaving the Krang. Okay, look at this, amazing. So yeah, Make-A-Wish is a organization where children are struggling every day in the hospitals with whatever disease they are struggling with. It can be cancer, it can be a chronic disease. They are obligated to go to the hospital every day with really dim sphere and everything. And Make-A-Wish International is basically trying to pull the children away from that daily situation and grant their wish. It can be I've seen wishes coming by that basically told about the one wanted to be a streamer, another one wanted to be a model, a fashion show, you know. Another one wanted to have like a gaming setup, or a laptop, or a gaming station like a PlayStation or an Xbox. And the International Foundation of Make-A-Wish makes those wishes come true. So how they actually work, like you're thinking, okay, how does the division or dividing of the money goes? Well, that's simple, basically. Because I've talked more than once with the organization itself, and they basically, what they said is that they will look at the location that the subscription of the streamer or vlogger is coming from, like in my case the Netherlands. The money that I earn, not me personally, but what I gather, is donated towards the country I am located at. So if I would go to in the Netherlands, it will go to the foundation in the Netherlands. If I go to Germany, it will go to Germany, stuff like that. They will try to divide it as much as possible. So yeah, look them up. They are an amazing organization, and I've worked with various charities. I still do various charities like Save the Children, Clinic Clowns, Love for Gaming. It's also a charity, I think. I will try to do as much as possible, basically. So yeah, I think we have a visitor. Let me see how far we actually are. We are quite far, actually. Oh wait, did I go the wrong way? We didn't go the wrong way. I had to go that way, not that. Oopsie. Bollocks. We had to go right, not left. Oh well. You can double enjoy it, I guess. How to get your hours in. Oh well. don't know what you guys are seeing at the moment. You are... Oh, you're quite looking what I'm seeing at the moment, so that's good. Seeing also my shadow. Alright. So I might have to, because this is a 4-hour trip or walk, I might have to switch the battery of this camera, because it's I fully charged it, so I started at 89% and it's already on 78% on that short walk. That's basically also because of the high quality you guys are looking at. So, oh well. It's really warm. I need to keep in mind that I also have to drink sometimes. So. I will forget it, trust me. Knowing myself. I will need to keep the navigation in check a bit. Oh boy. My cable's getting loose the whole time. What is going on? No. My watch is trying to say, hey, you're walking. You need to record it, but then I will be have no power in my watch, and I do kind of need to know the time sometimes. So it's now, we started about 3:45 kind of, so we're walking already 50 minutes. You wouldn't say that, but yeah, here's the splits where we went wrong. Is to go back and we go that way. I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can see. Yeah. Where am I? We have to go straight. A slight breeze. I really don't mind, but I know you guys can hear it. But I do approve of it. Alright, so let's see. There's like a path straight ahead. There's like a road going right, and we have to go left. Good to know, I guess. I think it's about right in front of us. This is still part of the farmland. I actually have no idea what this plant is. It's not a grain. Grain is more sturdy and going up. There's more leaves. Random thought, sorry. Alright, coming to the crossroads. Look at this. Love it. Okay.